Expanding into a high-value market, Turkey sits right at the intersection of Europe and Asia, making it a strategic hub for foreign investors. For international entrepreneurs looking to establish a presence here, the premier legal vehicle is the limited shirkət, which is the Turkish equivalent of an LLC. This structure offers three distinct advantages. First, you retain 100% foreign ownership without needing a local partner. Second, it provides total protection for your personal assets. And third, it operates under an efficient corporate tax framework. To actually unlock these benefits, you have to navigate the local bureaucracy. Following an updated, precise 2026 roadmap helps prevent common errors in the registration process. Before you even engage with the Turkish government, you must fully secure three baseline requirements. First, you need a valid foreign passport. This document must be fully prepped and ready for official Turkish translation. Next, you must secure your finances and location, a dedicated starting capital of 50,000 Turkish lira, along with a registered physical office address in Turkey. Securing these specific assets allows the registration process to move forward as a predictable, step-by-step checklist. Step 1 is document preparation. This is where we acquire your foundational tax identity. You will start by submitting your foreign passport to a local Turkish authority for an official, notarized translation. Once that translation is logged, it generates your potential tax ID. This number is the official identifier required to open bank accounts and register with the government. With your tax ID in hand, we move to Step 2, entering the digital bureaucracy through the central MERSIS system. MERSIS is Turkey's official trade registry database. Inside MERSIS, you will draft your Articles of Association. This document defines your company's internal rules, share distribution, and scope of activity. By uploading these drafted articles directly into the portal, you generate an official system draft approval from the government. Completing these first two steps successfully shifts your business from a theoretical concept on paper into a formally recognized, tracked digital entity. Step 3 is the notary phase. Here, the MERSIS drafts are printed and notarized to become legally binding documents. You will take the corporate paperwork to a notary to go through an authorization process, officially signing and stamping every page. This physical notarization proves the authenticity of your documents, allowing you to proceed to the trade registry for final filing. That clears the path for Step 4, building your financial foundation by opening your corporate bank account. You will take the 50,000 TL minimum capital you secured earlier and deposit it directly into this newly opened corporate account. Through notarization and capitalization, you prove to the Turkish authorities that your foreign entity is legally serious and financially viable. Finally, we arrive at Step 5, the final trade registration. The trade registry officially reviews your file and issues your final registration certificate. However, there is one last physical hurdle. The tax office will conduct an unannounced, in-person inspection of your premises. The inspector will walk through your physical business address to ensure the location exactly matches the details you filed in the MERSIS system. Passing this final physical verification fully activates your LLC. You are immediately granted the legal right to commence operations and begin billing clients. Setting up the company is the baseline. The real challenge for foreign businesses is post-setup compliance. A common error is selecting the wrong NACE codes, which classify your exact economic activity. Picking an incompatible code blocks future operational permits. Additionally, the government enforces strict penalties if you miss mandatory monthly corporate tax filings. You also face the risk of stalling your shareholder operations if you misunderstand Turkey's strict foreign work permit quotas. Ignorance regarding these compliance laws will inevitably lead to heavy financial fines, or even the immediate suspension of your commercial activity. Fortunately, you do not have to navigate this legal and compliance roadmap on your own. By using a managed, outsourced professional agency, you shift the burden entirely. They simultaneously handle the paperwork, the daily accounting, and the ongoing tax optimization. Delegating the local bureaucracy frees up your time, so you can focus your energy exclusively on growing your brand. To get started, click the link in the description below to book a consultation. Partnering with local professionals is the surest way to guarantee a stress-free business launch in Turkey.